A transmission line reroute sparking questions about landowner rights and a legal loophole.
Yeah, last Wednesday, the KVUE Defenders told you about what some call a power play by a big developer. If the developers are able to move forward, legal experts say it could undo decades of landowner rights impacting homeowners across Texas.
Investigative reporter Daybreak Hearing joins us with an update.
Quita, Mark, lawyers representing the Rimrock community in Driftwood say there has never been a case like this in Texas, where a developer can reroute a transmission line within 300 feet of homes without a hearing, simply because they want to make room for more luxury homes. After months of waiting, the Rimrock neighbors were able to speak before the Public Utility Commission of Texas, or the PUC, on Thursday. Each person was allowed 5 minutes to plead their case. The 138 kilovolt transmission line in question looks similar to this. It's located on the Driftwood Golf Course, property owned by developer Discovery Land Company. In 2019, Pedernales Electric Co-op agreed to allow the developer to move the line within 300 feet of some homes, using an exception to the rule that requires public input, meaning neighbors can oppose it because it's on the company's property, and the reroute would be paid for by the company. Numerous Rimrock neighbors showed up to the open meeting to argue the line should be buried, like the company once agreed to do, or go through a process that allows for a public hearing when homes are within 300 feet of the line.
These new lines will create a fire risk, be located on a hill subject to high winds, and obstruct our views. Our grandchildren will not be able to play freely in our backyard. This is our dream home, and we worked tirelessly and saved carefully to make this dream come true.
The developer argued this isn't a matter of right or wrong, but if this qualifies as an exception to that rule, and burying the lines would be too costly. The utility company's lawyer says they don't own underground transmission lines, making the cost for them unknown.
The ongoing cost of maintenance after the initial undergrounding may be paid for by the landowner. How that maintenance is allocated, the cost of that maintenance is allocated amongst our members, that's a complicating factor. So it's something to consider if we were to consider that issue further.
Ultimately, the commissioner said it's a difficult decision, and they want to take more time to discuss the issue and table it for a future open meeting. It's important to note this isn't the first time this case has been brought to the commission. In the past, they had many questions and got the State Office of Administrative Hearings involved, but the judge chose not to hear the case. This back and forth has been going on for 6 years and points to the gravity of the outcome as the state's need for electricity continues to grow at a rapid pace. In the studio, I'm Daybreak Hearing, KVUE News.